Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for Phonalicious, and today in this video, I'll show you the newly launched Vivo V9, and probably this video might help you to decide to buy this mobile phone or not. Vivo has been a strong player in the retail segment in India, and they have now launched a new mobile called the Vivo V9. The primary selling point of this mobile phone is its display. Now the display is gone beyond 19:9 aspect ratio and stretches up to 19:9 aspect ratio. Well, that means that there's gonna be very less room for bezels. And if the mobile has less bezels, where do you fit in the front camera and the other sensors? Well, Vivo has taken up the iPhone X's route and put up a notch on top of the display. This year, 2018, is gonna see a lot of mobiles that's gonna be coming up with a notch on the top. Vivo V9 is the first among the lot in India. The display is 6.3 inches diagonally, and due to the 19:9 aspect ratio, the mobile phone still manages to have a small form factor. The display supports Full HD Plus resolution. Underneath the hood, the mobile phone is powered by a Snapdragon 626 processor, which I think is a huge upgrade for Vivo. In Vivo standard, the highest processor which we have seen until now is the Snapdragon 450. So this mobile Vivo V9, apart from having a Snapdragon 626, it also has 4 GB of DDR3 RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The memory can be expanded by up to 256 GB with a dedicated SD card slot. Behind the mobile, you would find a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel depth sensing camera. On the front, you would find a 24 megapixel camera which does not have any moonlight selfie flash. Surprisingly, out of the box, this mobile phone runs on Android 8.1 with FunTouch OS 4.0 skinned on top of it. The mobile phone is powered by a 3060 mAh battery, and it has a micro USB port at the bottom. Unfortunately, the mobile phone does not support fast charging as well. It weighs around 150 grams and it supports Bluetooth 4.2. The mobile phone will be available in Pearl Black and Champagne Gold to start with, and later on Vivo V9 will also be available in Sapphire Blue. Anyway, the Vivo V9 is made of plastic, which is made to look like metal. The glossy back finish is looking good, but it is a fingerprint magnet. Fortunately, Vivo also includes a back case in the box to protect the mobile phone from accidental damages and fingerprint smudges. This mobile phone Vivo V9 is priced at Rs 22,990, which may sound expensive compared to all the mobile phones that is available in the market right now. But Vivo is a strong player in the offline segment, and if you have to be a strong player in the offline segment, your profit margins and your dealer margins increases the cost of this mobile phone as well. Well, I have personally met and talked to many Vivo mobile phone buyers, and they don't complain. It is us, the tech community, and the people who are exposed to buying mobile phones online complain about the value for money in Vivo or Oppo mobile phones. But the actual consumers who are gonna be buying this mobile seems to be satisfied, and this reflects in the consumer satisfaction index of all the Vivo phone buyers. Apart from a very strong sales network, Vivo has also got a reliable service network across the country. So that is my first impressions and hands-on on the Vivo V9. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this mobile phone, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.